Hey, it's Al Williamson with LeadingLandlord.com. Tip number 2 on how you can get longer bookings for your Airbnb, your furnished rentals, your extended stays. Tip number 2 is that you set your parameters so that you accept a minimum of 31 days. That's what you do. You adjust your parameters on your online travel agency's website platform so that your minimum stay is now 31 days. And what that's going to do is going to make them only offer you for extended stays. That's going to give you a big help. And that also requires you to commit to doing longer term stays. And I think you're going to be better off with that anyway. So go ahead, make your adjustments on your VRBOs and your Airbnbs, any type of website like that, so that you accept 31 days and longer. And just simply move yourself out of the overnight rental game.